If the term kit car conjures images of a poorly made fiberglass Fiero, Rhino Racing is here to transform that perception. They present their DIY component Supercar as the ideal vehicle for those who revel in the joy of driving. It's street legal, powered by a V10 engine, and surprisingly more affordable than a used supercar. Introducing the Rhino Racing RR01. Let's get into it. Rhino Racing, based in Lithuania, a small country in Eastern Europe, spent 2 years developing their first prototype. They claim that their kit can be assembled without requiring extensive technical knowledge. In contrast to the Fiero-based kit cars of the 90s, the RR01 features a fully welded custom racing chassis. Its central monocoque structure is crafted from lightweight T6 aluminum, while the surrounding tubular roll cage is made of stiffer steel. The modular suspension system is mounted on top, incorporating adjustable double wishbones and Nitron R3 racing dampers. What truly distinguishes the RR01 from other modern component cars is its engine. Instead of relying on the common LS crate engines, it is powered by a 5.2-litre naturally aspirated V10 sourced from the Audi R8. This V10 engine produces well over 500 horsepower, revs up to 8,700 revolutions per minute, and is supplied with air through functional side intakes. Additionally, it boasts an incredible exhaust note shared with the Lamborghini Huracan. Instead of utilizing the 7-speed S-Tronic from the donor R8, Rhino equipped their prototype with a sequential transmission featuring straight-cut gears and a pneumatic shifter, making this gearbox shift even faster than the most common racer. The exterior of the Rhino is crafted from fiberglass, ensuring both lightweight and high durability. True to any exotic car, it features stylish doors that provide ample headroom for easy entry and exit. A single wiper is centrally mounted on the windshield, which might be less than ideal for visibility, but stays true to the rhinoceros theme. Additional custom options, including LEDs, front and rear fender vents, and a chassis-mounted rear wing, are available at an extra cost to complete the look. The interior is intensely race-focused, utilizing the bare minimum in basic and lightweight materials. Key features include an optional 7-inch screen, a 10-button center console box, and fiberglass bucket seats. The pièce de résistance is an optional quick-release Alcantara steering wheel, which boasts 8 programmable buttons, integrated computational modules, and paddle shifters. The gauge cluster is built into the wheel with a 4.3-inch anti-glare screen. For road-going customers, conveniences such as 4 AC vents, a spacious cup holder, and both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are surprisingly included. Many news sites have promoted the RR01 as a budget-friendly supercar alternative, with prices starting as low as $27,000. However, the reality is that this custom track build will cost significantly more than your typical autocross car. The base kit is priced at €35,000, or about $37,000. Optional add-ons, such as the advanced steering wheel and exterior aero package. Then there's the drivetrain. The recommended Audi V10 can be sourced by the customer or supplied by Rhino Racing, along with the sequential gearbox for $37,500, roughly $40,000 in the US. In total, you could easily spend 6 figures to complete the ultimate custom track car. While not exactly cheap, it's a relative bargain compared to Audi's $420,000 LMS GT2. Rhino Racing is already accepting pre-orders for their supercar kit, with deliveries expected to begin very soon. This means we could see these cars hitting the track in less than a year. So what did you think of our video? Is the RR01 something you would love to get your hands on? Let us know down in the comments, and as always, remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.